In this video, I will show you how to delete your Spotify account. Now, to get started, what you want to do is open up a new internet browser, come across to spotify.com and log into your account. Now, once you've done that, if you come up to the top right hand corner, click onto your Spotify profile icon, and from this menu that comes up, you want to click onto account. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to your account page, and from here you want to come up to the top and click onto support. Now, what you need to do is use the search box here, and in here you want to type closing your account and then just hit enter to search for that result. Now, what that's going to do is bring up a answer like this. If you just scroll down, you're going to see a link to visit the close your account and delete your data page. Give that a click, and that's going to take you to a page like this. From here, it's going to give you information on what's going to be deleted. So in my case, you can see, for example, there's going to be one playlist that's going to be deleted. So if you do have any playlists or things like that, that's also going to be deleted in addition to your Spotify account. From here, to continue, all you need to do is simply scroll down on this page, read through this and tick the box. And once you've done that, you can click the continue deleting account button. Now, what that's going to do is take you to a screen like this. At this point, it's going to ask for some feedback for the main reason why you will be deleting your account. So you can select that from here. In my example, I'm just going to select other. But there is a box here as well if you want to explain further details for the reason you're deleting your account. Now, once that's done, just simply come and click the delete account button at the bottom. And what it's going to do is send a link to your email. So what you want to do is check your email, which is linked to your Spotify account. The link is only valid for 24 hours, so make sure you do it pretty quickly. Check your email, click the link in your email from Spotify, and then follow the steps to complete your account deletion. But that's a quick overview on how to delete your Spotify account. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Spotify and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.